We're back home. And you're being pain in the butt already. Yeah,
you
is. Hi.
Put it in your mouth.
Hello, YouTube.
Harriet now. Harriet, put it in your mouth. Your mouth isn't big enough, dude. Your mouth is...
Okay, there's 1-7. What's wrong with you, Whingebag? Honey! Honey! Honey, honey, honey! She's, no, I'm not going to look at the old camera. Go away. I'm trying to get this to work for my iTunes, but it says could not be synced because sync session failed to start. Bye then, honey. Where are you going? She's been curled up in bed. You curled up in bed with me, honey. 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 Sorry, did I wake you? Okay. You go back to sleep. A few more videos. Some CTFXC. Get my little girl. Honey. She's actually asleep. She's actually stopped.